I'm back. All right, so this is part 2 because Cookie came home. All right, so we're gonna fix a couple things. One is I want to at least get values in here. So sadly, I'm gonna have to. Okay, this is gonna be 3. Okay, 1. Okay. So right here, okay, so on open, I do all that, and then populate show list box. All right, so we're gonna run it. When the show manager page opens, it's gonna give us the headers, and it's gonna populate the show list box by running the method. And this is a private method too, so I can do that. And so it should work, hopefully. Yeah, so far it's working. Okay, let's go to shows, and there we go. We have basically we have 3 columns and a description. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get the date. So this should say Friday, Saturday, or whatever it is. This should just give us the date, and then this will give us the time. And as you know, when we've done this in the past, it's a nightmare. So let's just try to do this. All right. All right. Sorry, head spinning right now. All right, so I'm gonna create some strings. So dim show day value as string, dim show date value as hate that, as string, dim show time value as string. All right. So what's going to happen here is we're going to create the 3 variables that will fill up this. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, and then let's do just a little bit of housekeeping here. I'm going to bring this down here, and we are going to lock these in. So, so there we go. Okay, got that. So no matter what the page is, we got 4 going across. All right, so let's do this. First, let's work with the date. Oops. The date. So in this case, I'm going to pull up this here. Date. Okay, day of week. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find out what. Okay, so I've got to basically I have to take that string, that date string, turn it into text. This is the maddening thing about it. If you remember from the previous videos, you're jumping through hoops. All right, so let's see if I can. See if I have creating a date object. Okay, so using XOJO core, Date nows. So that doesn't do it. Okay, let me see if I can find. So I gotta come back over here. Let's get back to this is the most frustrating part of all this. I think I have to do it here. So update. Okay. So this update error is equal to. Okay, so. Okay, I know. So I want to do the list, show list box. When I double click it, this is where I want to be. So when I double click it, is that right? Okay, we may have to figure this out a different way. Because basically, I want to grab a date. So I have to create a date object. So the question is, how do I... okay, give me 1 second here. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got it. Sorry about the delay. Oops. Okay. So we're going to come up here. We're going to go using XOJO core. Okay. Okay, we're going to grab... Okay, so basically I'm going to create... oh, this is fun. Okay. All right, so let me get rid of that one because that doesn't do anything. Show. Better make sure. Show date cell. Show date cell. I don't see it anywhere. I just don't want to delete it. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to it. Okay, I know. If it works, then I can just delete it. Okay, so here we go. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to do a dim show date value string. All right, as a string. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the show date value from the record set, it's a SQL record set, and put it in this string. Okay. Then we're going to do dim. Okay. We call it this. All right. Just so I know that this is inside that that record set. So this show date value text, because we're going to convert the string into a text. Okay, as text. All right. And then we're going to do dim this show date as date. So we're going to take, okay, so here's the thing. So we're going to pull the record set. We're going to take the value of the show date, which is the SQL representation of a date, and put in the string. Then we're going to take that string, convert it to text, And then from text, we're going to convert it to a XOJO core date. Got it? Got it? All right. This will be amazing if it works. Okay, and then from there, we got to then break it down into, oh, this is going to be a nightmare. Okay. So this show date value string equals rs show list field show date. Okay? Alright, now we're going to convert to text. So this show date value string equals, I'm sorry, value text equals this show date value string to text. All right. Now we're going to create the date variable. So this show date equals this show date equals date dot from text this show date value text. Okay, this is the date variable. Okay. All right, and now we are going to, so now that we have the date variable, we're going to get the, so show day value equals, okay, and now we can go to the code. So I want to get the, so I want to get the day of week right here. So, so it's actually an integer. Okay. As integer. Okay, and then dim show day value string as string. Okay, so we're gonna put the results in there. Oh, okay. So show day value equals, and in this case it is okay, equals, and then we're going to copy that. Yeah, and then we got to replace now with the date variable. Now, okay. So this gives me the integer value. Okay. Show day value. Okay, so integer value. Okay. Let's pray this works. Nope. So date. Okay, so what did I do wrong? So dim day as integer. So record date dot day of week. So this should be an integer. Show day value. Show day value. So maybe So let's try it this way. We'll do it exactly like the example. Okay. Maybe I just gotta get rid of that. Okay. So this show date. So why is that not working? Core, this show date. Because now, date. Okay, so that's it. Integer, date, dot. Okay, so maybe I just need this. Okay, maybe I don't need that. There we go. Nope. Okay, so it doesn't recognize show date value. Okay, so maybe I don't need that. Show date. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's remove this. See if it works now. There's one. Oh, I hate this. Dot. So if I want to, so am I not allowed to put? Okay, let's do this then. Let's do a select. We're just gonna put in the. We're just gonna put in the values, and hopefully that works. So select. I should memorize these. I have to be much faster. Okay, here we go. Okay, just gonna try it. Okay. Okay, select case show day value. Okay. All right. Someone just wrote me. Ignore that. Case 1. Then show day value text value string equals Sunday. Is that right? I want to make sure it's not starting with 0. Oh, over here. Okay, 1 is Sunday. Okay. And then and select. Okay. Just want to make sure I get that in there. Case 2. Show day value string equals Monday. Case 3. Show okay. Case equals Friday. Saturday. Okay. And then we're going to put here show day value string. All right. Let's hope this works. So far, so good. You like this? Not getting an error. Don't you love it? Not getting an error. Okay, let's. There we go. Friday, Saturday. Yay! It works. It works. It works. Okay, so day of week is done. Okay. Save. Okay, now we're gonna do something equally difficult. I'm gonna pull up the old one here. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do style. So the next one I want to basically I want month and day for the next one. Okay. So let's see if I can do this. Did I save it? Okay. So I'm gonna remove this. Okay. So I'm going to do, so show date value is equal to so show date value is equal to text. All right, that's the first thing I want to do. Which I already have, this show date value text. Okay, so okay, is equal to this show date dot to text. Okay. Locale dot current, comma, date, format. So here's the thing I've had to figure out. Date dot format styles dot full date dot format styles dot none. Okay, so we're taking the date value, and then we're going to show date value. We're going to take the date, this show date, which is the variable, and we're going to convert it into the date style of our choosing. So this is the time zone. This is how you're going to format the date, and this is how you format the time. Since we're not including time, this will be none. Although I guess I could have put time in. Well, we'll see. I mean, it's really up to the client as to how they want it formatted. So let's take a look. I basically just want, February 7th, without necessarily having the date. But it looks like it's going to put the year in. Should we do without the year? Okay, well in this case, we'll do long. We'll do long. Okay. So let's go back. Okay, this will be, instead of full, it'll be long. Okay, and then we want this to be show date value. Okay, we'll see if that works. All right, so far so good. Okay, there we go. There's the dates. All right. Now, as I'm looking at this, you can see, okay, we'll deal with that later. Like I said, cosmetics, we're not going to be too concerned about cosmetics now until cleanup. All right, so let's get the last one in. This should be super easy. Oops. All right, now we're going to take the same thing. So we're going to do time. So let's copy that, bring that down here, and change that to time, show time value. We're going to change it to a text. And then we're going to go none, so no date here. And then let's see what how we do time. So time, basically I want this one, the short time. We don't need seconds in there, so short. And then this one will be show time value. Oops, show time value. All right. I forgot to check if it's going to give me military time. It's going to give me military time. I'm going to... Okay, no, it looks like it'll give me the right time. I don't want military time. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'll explain later. Okay, so there we go. It's a little cheese ballish. Aesthetically, not the greatest, but it's doing what I want it to do. So I'm not complaining. We can fix a lot of stuff later. Cosmetics we'll do later. Okay. So the next step is basically we want to be able to add shows and edit shows. But in this case, that's going to be for next time. Yeah, I think the last thing so we're done. If you want to skip this last part, the biggest thing is I just want to alternate the color of the row. So we'll bring that. Okay, so every other row is going to be this blue. Okay, so that's our save it. That's our broadcast for now. I don't know if I'm gonna get to another one later because the kid wants me to do some projects. So we'll see you next time. We're gonna work more with dates. I hate dates, but we gotta do it.